Everything you said, they already knew.
Hi, welcome to another content channel, the channel of station lovers, planners, scrapbooking, bourgeois, and cute lifestyle. And today, when I speak in English, yes, it is time for Rosie Studios. Before we start, let me speak in Thai to my new subscribers. สวัสดีค่ะพี่นวันเองนะคะยังเป็นช่องเดิมแบบเดิมเลยที่จะมีทั้งรีวิวเครื่องเขียนแชร์ไอเดียของกุ๊กกิ๊บบุตรโจแพลนเนอร์แล้วก็ cute lifestyle นะคะเพียงแต่ว่าเมื่อไหร่ก็ตามที่พี่นวันได้แพ็กเกจจากต่างประเทศนะคะอย่างเช่น Rosie Studio อันนี้พี่นวันก็จะพูดเป็นภาษาอังกฤษเพื่อให้คนที่ส่งของมาให้เนี่ยจะได้เข้าใจได้นะคะแต่ถ้าใครที่ยังไม่คล่องภาษาอังกฤษไม่ต้องห่วงเลยพี่นวันจะมีซับไตเติลอยู่ข้างล่างให้นะคะแต่ว่ามันอาจจะโดนโฆษณาบางถ้าพี่นวันพยายามปรับแล้วนะแต่เมื่อกี้โฆษณาอยู่ข้างล่างอะถ้าของใครโดนโฆษณาบางก็คลิกตัว X ออกนะคะแล้วก็จะเห็นซับไตเติลเองเลยค่ะ Let's see what do we have today Here is a parcel! Alright, and here is the parcels. And this time Rosie Studio sent me two collections. The first one is Dream in Color and another one is Make a Splash. You know what? This is the longest time that I wait for the Rosie Studio products from abroad because this time they didn't send directly from New Zealand but sent from the hub in Hong Kong. And then the package was held by customs because on the top of this package they put a receipt on it, so they think that I bought this stuff, not get it like a gift, and then my address is totally wrong. But in this all messy things, I need to say a million thanks to all the Rosie Studio stuff because when I sent them an email that I haven't got the parcels yet, they tried their best to contact the company, the hub, and everyone to make sure that I will get the parcels. And I say that if they have any problem, they will send another one directly from New Zealand for me. So thank you again. You are very special. You are so special one. And the company called Aramex is a shipping company. They're so good. When I call them, get a tracking number, and then they ask me to pay the duty tax, transfer it, and I can get the parcel in the next morning. Wow. Oh my goodness, there are lots of stuff. Okay, so here is Make a Splash and Dream in Color. Let us start with Make a Splash. And here is the Make a Splash collection. Let us start with the designer paper, the bigger one, 12 by 12 inches. There are small damage here and there due to the transportation, but that's okay. The thing is that there are 14 designs, 42 sheets and 9 foil pages. This one is 180 grams. Alright. A little mermaid in different style, and then this one is mermaid tail design. There's a small beads like a bead seaweed flowers in a pastel color. This one is similar to what I have. Oh, this is a foil one, a rainbow foil one. Okay, here is a deep blue color phrases like good day, sea, travel, summer, sun. So it's designed for a summer one. It's kind of something that related to mermaid style. A dotted is a pastel and dotted one and random color and randomly shape. Here, cute. Another wave. Can you see the wave in the camera? It's so cute. Yellow color with a white stripes. I'm not sure what it's called, a zigzag one, but there is like a white stripes inside the zigzag. Here, wow, the mermaid with this sparkling wink and seashells. She's so seashell in the seashores. This another sparkling one. I think of popsicles. Cute. Seaweed. That is 14 designs. Now let's see what do we have for the small design paper. Here the small side is saying that design paper 6 by 6 inches, 40 teeth, 20 designs, 6 foil pages. Let us see. At the start with this Little Mermaid, just like the big one. Ooh, there's a different one. It's swan. Swan with donut. And this, what is it? A very dark navy one. Oh, this is different. It's starfish with flowers and a minty blue color. I love this. What is it? Seagull? It's the same. It's a air ticket, should it? Yeah. Ooh, this one is like a purple thing with a random lines. Okay, that's all. That is 20 designs. What do we have next? Oh, here. There's some mermaid. Oh, I love this. Celebrate. I love this. Next one, we have this. A double-sided journal card. They say that they have 40 cards. 3 by 4 inches and 4 by 6 inches. And I start with the bigger one. Oh my god. This one looks like the popsicles I love. Oh, seahorse. Give me sun. Give me sea. Let me be who I want to be. Bye. And it's a random vocabularies about the mermaids like kisses, starfish, wishes. Here is like a sand effect. Darker green color splatting on it and say that you are truly mermaiding. Ah, I love these puns. Mermaiding, like amazing. I do love all of these vibes. So cute and energizing. Okay, now let us see the small design. Let's start with this. We mermaid to be friends forever, like we make it to be friends forever. And oh my goodness, this one is so cute. It didn't need to be this in the design paper. It's a balloons, and just go with the flow. Wow, cute. Your future look bright. Oh, and a mermaid. Weekend got me feel like cute. Oh my goodness. This pug with a mermaid tail. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, and here's a air ticket. It's the same as the design paper. It's so cute. Daddy's girl, that's who I am. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so that's all of these journal cards. Next, this avoid acetate shapes. Oh, and every time you have this acetate shape, don't forget to remove the protection film. Alright, dream higher. Let me find something to put at the back. Come on, wrap it. No, wrap it. You cannot do it. Here. First one saying that dream higher than the sky, deeper than the ocean. Ooh, sparking things. Imagine that we put this on the top of the photos. You get a sparking effect on that photos. Okay, then we move to this vacuum die cuts. You're so nice, so cute. Okay. Oh, and the sparkling. Oh, the glittering effect. Can you see the sparkling effect on the videos? This is the fan paper from Make a Splash collection. We still have the die cut thingies, die cut shape. And let's see the designs. It's a foil die cut as well. You can see it. Oh my god. Okay, this one. A gemstones. 72 pieces. Wow, that's a lot. Inside there is a glitter effect, and that make it to sparkle brighter than I used to see on the gemstone sticker. The rest that we have here is all the sticker. Let us start with the sticker book, a 4 statement sticker pad. So the first page that is a seashells with a pearl features, swim rings, novel. What is seahorse? But why they have horn? Unicorn seahorse or sea unicorn. And the mermaid's tail. And this is seashells, a different style, and sunglasses. Starfishes with foil one. Ooh, a foil mermaid. Foil alphabet. Foil stage. So a good vibe and mermaid feeling. And then we have this glitter foam alphabet. Oh, it's a foam. Yeah, it's a foam. And here is a foam, right? Yeah, it's a foam glitter. I will show you here. Here it is. A magic, love, smile, friends, dream, hello. It's a foam. Oh, there are 3 foam stickers. Okay, saying that you have fun, you shine, fearless. I love this, fearless. Then we have 2, a 3D sticker. Let us start with this. A very pastel color saying you are truly amazing, amazing. I have magical day, so it's I have a magic day. So this is a pastel color. I love that we have this, an embellishment pad. Starting with this, if you watch my unboxing video, you have watched this one. So it's a 3D sticker, a first stickers in the pastel color. And another pastel color with the floral effect. I love this floral. That is all of the Make a Splash collection. Here is Dreaming Color collection. Let us start with the design paper. 12 by 12 inches, 180 grams, 42 cheese, 14 design, 9 foil pages. And yes, there are a very small damage here due to the transportation, but that's okay. First pages is unicorn. It's a floral, but it's a gold color. It makes a splash. It's a floral and a silver color, so it makes like a rainbow effect inside. We have a pastel heart rainbow. This one contains with all the good words that related to unicorns, like unicorns and sparkle, unique, celebrate, friends, a purple sky with starry night, flowers, pastel color flowers. I love this. And yellow color, a little bit darker shade that make a splash one. All these cells, yeah, I used to use one of this when I was in high school. I mentioned in the previous video in Thai that I love this design. Oh, foil, love it. This is a cat crying, cat laughing so hard, cat laughing. Oh, cat tried kissing. Oh my god, so cute. Cat eating. And they say a random word like exo, haha, illy. A unicorn with a foil effect. Oh, a pastel color that make it like a rainbow. That's all. Let us see the smaller one. 6 by 6 inches. There are 40 sheets and 20 designs. 6 foil pages. Let us see. Okay, this one is different. Pink color with a white sparkling pastel heart on the grid paper. I love this, saying girl power. Oh, the hashtag. And what is this? This one different, saying that, but first let me take a selfie. I think of my friend. She can take a selfie with everything. Oh, this one different. A splashing of the pastels color, so cute. And this, and whoa, it's great for stencil lovers, pencil holders and pencil. Okay, that's all. Next one, washi tape, 2 rows. Total length is 18 meters. I think there should be 9 meters each. Wow, this one is sparkly effect. Another one, unicorn singing. Sorry for too high tone, as it's so cute that I cannot call it cute in a normal tone. It should be cute to make it look cuter than usual cute. The journal cards, double-sided journal cards that is 3 by 4 inches and 4 by 6 inches. There are total 40 cards. Let us start with this big one. Just be your wonderful self. Oh my goodness, it's so encouraging. That is to say, my favorite SK, there's a book. Oh, that's so me. Okay, so they say that also who's the writer, titles, and then borrower name. Should I put it on my books and tell my friend? My favorite color is rainbow. Yes. Then let us see the smaller size. This color is exactly the same combination of the design paper that I call pastel rainbow color. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Unicorn squad. I do love the design. I need to learn how to write this. So make a wish with the rainbow layers. I think that I used to see this before. Yeah, it's so similar to what I used to see. You are so weird. That's why I love you so much. Oh, thank you. Be the best version of you. Oh yeah, like be yourself, but be the best that you can be. Okay, that's all of the journal cards. Die cut shape. Oh my god, it's a foil, golden foil effect. Boba tea! Boba tea! I love this bubble tea. Okay, so this is all the designs. I'm sure that I will make a planner with this or maybe a journal with this. What we have next? Oh my goodness, we have two stamps too, right? Yes, two of them. Two stamp set. This one, I'm sure that it's gonna be a rainbow. And then we have this saying like make today glitter filled bag of rainbow unicorns, and a lot of sparkles say oh my goodness I love this, and here's unicorn. And this one we have another unicorn saying that magical you are, and this is a die cut sheet that you need to get a die cut machine. Put it under the paper and roll it and you will get this. I think I will order the die cut machine soon. Here is a journal clip and this so cute, so amazing. Oh, imagine that you have this on your journal and you don't have to do much, just what it says and make it so cute. Sunglasses, oh my gosh, so cute. Then we have this, a paper flowers. And we also have this mental trinkets, and that's what I got an idea. Here is my new pencil and there is a hole right here. I know that it should be on my journal, but it's too cute. I know this should be an unboxing video, but I cannot help this too cute. Like this! And I got a flowers that I need to make it be in shape. Super cutie pencil. Oh, this is a sticker. Okay, let us start with this. This one is glitter stickers, not the foam one. Then we have this. It's an animal sticker when I was very young. I think it could be a primary school. I use this and attach my ears as an earrings. This is an epoxy sticker. So it's an enamel, so it's flexible. Yeah, it's flexible. Okay. So this one is an epoxy sticker saying fun today is the day. And this is a cat with a hard eyes and a rainbow color wheel. Oh, this one is similar to the one in the design paper. Let us with two of this. This one is the foam sticker saying like sparkle, unicorn, believe in yourself. And this one, embellishment pack with 3D effects. And this one is a pastel color saying a good word like awesome, busy but blazed. I love this. And this a foil effect. That is all of the Dream in Color collection. And here's the Make a Splash and Dream in Color collection. If you like it, you can get one in Mr. DIY shop, and you can get the nearest store location in Mr. DIY fan page. There are a lot of branches in Thailand. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe this channel. If you have Twitter, please follow at Study Ideas and click like to fan page Adante Cantiplay NW. Oh, and we have a giveaway activities, and I put a link at the end of this clip. Bye for now. Goodbye.